Oscar, good morning. How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good. So today we're going to be digging around natural gas lines.
Okay.
Prior to digging, it's your responsibility to call in an 811 locate ticket. Wait the required time and confirm that all utilities have responded. If there are no visible locate marks on the ground, verify that an 811 locate ticket was called in. If a utility company does not respond to the locate ticket by the legal start date listed on the ticket, contact the company or 811. Do not excavate until all utility companies listed on the ticket have responded.
Oscar, there's some very important things we need to cover when digging around natural gas lines.
Careful excavation is required within 24 inches of either side of a marked utility in Arizona, California, and Nevada. As required by state law and for your safety, the exact location of all buried utilities must be carefully exposed with vacuum equipment or hand tools when working within 24 inches of a marked utility. This is often referred to as potholing or windowing. Refer to local state laws and regulations for more information specific to your state. Proper tools and techniques can help reduce the risk of damaging utilities when digging to expose underground utility lines. Except for vacuum equipment, mechanical equipment should never be used to expose utility lines.
Oscar, remember when digging around natural gas lines, we need to dig in a safe and careful manner.
Here are 6 steps to potholing safely to determine the exact location and depth of the utility line. 1. Use vacuum equipment if possible. Using vacuum equipment is one of the safest ways to expose utilities. 2. Use hand tools. Always use a rounded or blunt edge shovel. Sharp tools like pickaxes, mattocks, pry bars, or pointed spades may gouge or puncture utilities. 3. Begin by digging 2 feet off to the side in the same direction as the locate marks, using a gentle, prying motion to break away soil. 4. Pay attention to changes in the digging conditions when digging gets softer. You notice sand, caution tape, or even trash, as this may indicate you are close to the utility line. 5. Determine the exact location and depth of the utility line, not just the tracer wire or caution tape. Stop excavating and call 811 if you find an unmarked utility line or you can't locate a marked line after attempting to expose it. 6. Protect and support utilities once they're potholed and exposed. Acceptable materials to support and protect the utilities include sandbags, nylon rope, and shoring boxes.
Now that we're all finished, it's time to backfill our excavation. Just like when excavating, there are important things to remember when backfilling.
Take caution when backfilling gas utilities using safe backfill materials, such as sandy type soil that is relatively smooth, relatively rock-free, able to sift through a 3/8 inch screen. In the event a gas line has been damaged, or if you suspect a gas leak, call 911 and your local gas utility immediately from a safe location. Do not turn equipment off. Do not try to control the escaping gas. Evacuate the area. Move to a safe location. Warn others to stay away. Report all damages to your local gas utility. Even minor damage to a utility line or tracer wire can be dangerous if left unrepaired.
Oscar, thanks for being a safe digging partner. Let's go.